Greetings of the day to one and all. न मोहब्बत न दोस्ती के लिए, वक्त रुकता नहीं किसी के लिए, वक्त के साथ साथ चलता रहे, यही बेहतर है आदमी के लिए. Dear graduating students, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome and offer my heartiest congratulations to all the graduating students of batch of Textile Design Program 2017-2021. The Textile Design Department offers a 4-year Bachelor of Design program which prepares them for the challenges in the design development in fields of home fashion, apparel, craft design and research. The Tantu 2021 is an occasion for the graduation event of Department of Textile Design. It is also a platform that provides voice to the students' learning-based, in-depth research, analysis, development of innovation design strategies to address real-time fashion and textile design challenges undertaken by them during their graduation project across diverse areas in field of home fashion, textile, apparel, using techniques such as weaves, surface embellishment, print design, and also the craft sector. The event acts like an interlude that marks the culmination of their academic journey and the commencement of their professional career as they embark upon it with great dynamics in the fashion and textile design industry. In the past, we have been doing the graduation show in physical offline format, wherein the guests comprising of industry, guest faculty, department faculty, alumni, graduating students would come together and celebrate the event. But respecting the COVID norms, since 2020, we have been doing the online graduation show. I, Kisle Chaudhary, Professor, Textile Design Department, on this occasion of graduation show of Department of Textile Design, Tantu, welcome Professor Dr. Pawan Godiawala, Director NIFT Mumbai. I also welcome faculty, officials of NIFT Mumbai, Textile Design Chairperson, Professor Dr. M. Vasantha, industry members, alumni, guest faculty, department students, faculty of department from other NIFT campuses, parents and graduating students.
Welcome to Tantu 2021. The Textile Design Department at NIFT has distinguished itself through its unique and innovative approach to design education. The BDIS Textile Design, being the Techno Design program, integrates the creative forces of design with textile technology and its emerging areas while embracing the age-old textile crafts of our country. The proximity to the fashion and textile industry is like icing on top of the cake. Consequently, our students have a strong orientation towards the working of the industry. The graduation project undertaken in their final semester is a testimony to the integration of their academic learning in real-life environment. We are proud to introduce the Textile Design Graduates 2021 who are creative, committed and capable of facing all the challenges of the industry. Heartiest wishes to the Textile Design Graduates 2021. We shall always remember you, a special group of graduates who persevered, remained focused and came out with creative design collections. Kudos to your 2021 batch. You are all stars in the making, believe me. This is just the beginning, shine on. You will excel in all your future endeavors. I would like to extend my wholehearted gratitude to the industry sponsors for helping our students. Your gesture in supporting them, coming out with final collection during this extraordinary time period is greatly appreciated. Best wishes to the faculty team for being our students' mentor, guide, sources of inspiration throughout. You not only made them stand as independent professionals, but also taught them to make every effort to achieve excellence. Many thanks to the administration for this novel idea of virtual showcase of these brilliant talents. Dear audience, introducing the Textile Design Graduates 2021. You are in for a visual treat. Have a fabulous show. Best wishes to one and all. Thank you.
Thank you all for being a part of our graduation show. The department faculty members and our visiting guest faculty members who were with you in the last 4 years of your journey at NIFT Mumbai. They have always been ready to guide you, mentor you in form of classroom teaching, as well as keeping you motivated in the tough times of pandemic. Would like to share their experience and message. Now I would like to invite the department faculty members and our visiting guest faculty to say a few words in form of sharing their experience.
Hi, I am Mohammad Javed, Associate Professor and Center Coordinator of Textile Design Department. I am indeed very happy that most of the graduates of 2021 are now in the industry. I am very excited and overwhelmed as today we are having Tantu 2021, a textile design graduate show on this platform. It is a show wherein 33 textile design students have displayed their creative collection of their final graduation project created with a sponsored industry. This is special as they have gained the expertise of both working online and offline due to COVID lockdown. Nevertheless, these graduates have shown great amount of ability and skill in completing the graduation project. I invite everyone to see the GP work which is being displayed beautifully on this platform. I wish all the graduating students and their parents who have kind of supported these students for completing their graduation project. All the best. Good luck.
First of all, I want to congratulate you all on your well-deserved success. I know it has been a long, hard road during this pandemic, but you all have accomplished your goals and passed with flying colors. I wish all the best to all of you for your future endeavors.
Hello friends, congratulations to everyone who is graduating this year successfully. I must appreciate your effort which you have shown or taken during this pandemic to execute your GP work. Congratulations to all. Thank you.
Dear students, congratulations on this your graduation event. We just come across memories which we never forget, but the memories of a pandemic has to be evaded. The memories which bring us a lot of sorrows, at the same times we have to go ahead. So I just wish you a very happy and progressive life ahead. All the best. Thank you.
I would like to congratulate the passing out batch and all our students who have put in great efforts and are going to get their degree. So all the best to all of you. This time the situation was very different and there were different pressure that these students were handling. But the way they handled all this and the kind of projects that they have come up with, that's excellent. And I really want to congratulate them that they did not only complete a degree, they did not only completed their GP, but they did survive this pandemic as well along with this. So nothing can stop you. If you can do great things, good project in this situation, you can do anything. So many congratulations to all of you and all the best for all your future endeavors. It was a great teaching learning experience with you and let's stay connected.
Hello, I am Rugmani Venkatadri and I call myself a design educator, backpacker and a jewelry artist. And my association with NIFT as a visiting faculty goes back to 2012. And I have been extremely happy to be associated with this department, with my TD family as well as with my students. Because going into any classroom here was like a different planet altogether. coming back with a reservoir of ideas as well as sharing all the ideas that you had. And the students have been extremely responsive and they would churn out results very, very beautifully and were very, very hardworking. And it gives me great pleasure on this occasion of Tantu to wish them all the best for an illuminated future, and may they make their mark upon this earth.
Hi, I've been associated with NIFT Mumbai as a visiting faculty, and it has always been an immense pleasure to be a part of this esteemed institute. Talking about TD, it is one of the department which imparts the aspirants with in-depth knowledge of the fabric right from its roots. This year came with exceptional challenges, but the pandemic couldn't deprive the students to accomplish their graduation project, and the students engaged themselves with the top-notch organizations to execute their ideas and gain a better understanding and insight into the organization. Depending upon their forte, many young designers of this batch pursued towards the languishing crafts and worked very closely with the artisans and the craftsmen and came up with their creative approach towards its revival, customization and make-to-order things for the online platforms. It is evident from the work showcase of these young designers that there has been many challenges and sleepless nights. But it is a part of the journey, and as they are going to enter into their work-life experience, I wish the whole batch of avid, enthusiastic stars a great success ahead. Wish you all the very best.
Thank you for those motivating and inspiring words. I am sure these words will always inspire our graduates. The students of textile design, as part of their 18-week-long graduation project in the industry, choose an area of design intervention in weave, print, surface embellishment, craft and self-sponsored research. Based on the marks scored in the jury evaluation, the following 3 students have been declared as awardees for the best industry graduation projects. The awards are titled as First Best Industry Graduation Project, Second Best Industry Graduation Project, and the Third Best Industry Graduation Project. We have also instituted 2 Best Display Awards using the video presentation. The award has also been evaluated by the external jury members, and the awards are titled as First and Second Best Display Awards using the video presentation. May I now invite Director NIFT Mumbai, Professor Dr. Pawan Godiawala, to announce the names of 3 awardees in the Best Industry Graduation Project category and 2 awardees in the Best Display Award using the video presentation.
Graduation Award 2021 for Textile Design Department. The nominees for the Best Graduation Projects are Aditi Sharma, Aditi Bansal, Shri Lakshmi Sanal, Riya Kothari, Sanjna Verma, Nasimul Haq. And the first award goes to Aditi Sharma. The second Best Graduation Project award goes to Nasimul Haq. And the third Best Graduation Project award goes to Shri Lakshmi Sanal. For the Best Display of GP work via video presentation, the nominees are Shrutika Y. Jadhav, Pankti Patel, Aditi Sharma and Riya Kothari. The first award goes to Riya Kothari and the second award goes to Aditi Sharma.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring message. I am sure these motivating words will always be with them and keep them inspired in future. With the announcement of names of 3 award winners, I would also like to announce names of 5 best presentations. It was a very difficult decision. However, the 5 videos which have been done very well would like to announce the names of those. The best ones are Miss Aditi Sharma, first awardee, Mr. Naseemul Haq, second awardee, Miss Shri Lakshmi Sanal, third awardee, Miss Tejasvi Kathe, Miss Sanjana, Miss Sanika, Miss Shilpa Khamkar and Miss Shrutika. I would now request to play these presentations starting from the award winners' presentation.
Kokoro Statements of Sustainability. This project revolves around the idea of joyful expression in the times of the pandemic. In 2020, the world went into a complete lockdown. We found ourselves socially distancing at our homes, away from each other. We found optimism through books, music, and other forms of art and design. This helped us uplift our spirits and foster a sense of community. This was also the basis of my project of exploring emotion through design and tell stories of sustainability. This is where the project starts.
Thank you, Director Sir, and NIFT Mumbai for giving me this opportunity. Words cannot suffice my immense gratitude to everyone who made it possible. My graduation project, titled Kokoro Statements of Sustainability, revolves around the concept of translating emotion through design and how design can create social impact. It also seeks to create awareness about the importance of sustainability, equitable partnerships, and fair trade in today's world. I take this opportunity to thank and express my deep gratitude to Dr. Shari Keller, founder, creative director, Mehra Shaw. She is my industry mentor, and her unwavering support and guidance throughout the project helped me put forth my ideas and better understand the intricacies of developing them. I would also like to thank the amazing Mehra Shaw team in Jaipur who transformed my ideas into reality. I am so immensely thankful for my textile design faculty. Dr. Javed, my faculty mentor, who constantly encouraged me throughout the course of the project and gave invaluable insights and feedbacks to help me work in a much more creative manner. Dr. Reena, who has inculcated a love for textile research and heritage in me. Dr. Kislia, for motivating me to seek new approaches to design and inspiring me to look at the bigger picture. Akaksha ma'am, Latika ma'am, Nitin sir, Sandeep sir, for all your guidance and advice through the course of my project and studies. A big thank you to my family and friends for their unconditional love, support, and patience. My design skills have grown because of the amazing resources available at NIFT Mumbai, be it in the form of amazing professors, right from my foundation year to my final year, to the interactions we had with our industry experts, workshops with artisans, and also the ability to work with industry level equipment and infrastructure. I am grateful to have gotten this opportunity. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप एवरीवन इज़ डूइंग वेल। पहले तो मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा मेरे रियाज जयपुर फैमिली को, मेरे मेंटर्स अभिषेक सर, अर्शिया मैम, जिन्होंने मुझे इस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बहुत कुछ सिखाया, और मैं कह सकता हूँ कि ये अवार्ड मुझे उन्हीं की वजह से मिल रहा है। एंड ऑफ कोर्स निफ्ट मुंबई टेक्सटाइल डिज़ाइन डिपार्टमेंट के मेरे सारे फैकल्टीज़, जिन्होंने मुझे पूरे इस 4 साल की जर्नी में हर एक लेवल पे, हर एक पॉइंट पे मुझे हेल्प किया है। सो या, थैंक यू सो मच सर, मैम, एवरीवन फॉर दिस अवार्ड एंड फॉर दिस होल जर्नी।
Hello everyone, this is Sri Lakshmi Sanal. I'm from Textile Design Department in IFT Mumbai. So I express my gratitude to everyone for their kind support throughout the graduation project. Firstly, I would like to thank National Institute of Fashion Technology Mumbai for facilitating the graduation project in order to give a better exposure and experience to the practicality of textile industry. So I'm thankful to all my faculties who were always there to guide me, not only for the graduation project but throughout my course duration of 4 years. So I did my graduation project with Universal Textile Mills and Jaipura Silks Mills, and it is based in Bangalore. And it is one of the India's leading weaving mills. It was a great experience working with UTM and JSML. And I got a chance to get a depth knowledge about different techniques, and journey of the 16 weeks was a useful experience. And I find out what my strengths and weakness are, and I gain new knowledge and skills. To succeed in designing, the sharing of knowledge, ideas and opinion is of importance. And it drives me always step forward and learn how to face challenges. And I'm able to find new ways to face those challenges. And I finally completed my journey of those 16 weeks. In last 4 years at NIFT Mumbai, I got to learn a lot of things and I got enormous knowledge. All my faculty members are very interactive and they help me in my each step. It has been a very enriched journey and has helped me rediscover myself as a designer. So once again, I would like to thank everyone for great guidance and support. Thank you.
तेरी रे नो रे नो रे नो
the challenges of pandemic, which restricted their movement to market and the industrial areas, which otherwise is the main hub of their research. Congratulations to the presenters and to your design research work. At this moment, I would also like to thank the sponsoring companies and industry mentors of these students for their endless support, guidance for the successful completion of the projects. On this auspicious day of our Tantu 2021 graduation show, we are also very fortunate to have with us our industry alumni members who have always been supportive of providing their expertise as part of webinars, expert sessions, mentoring, life projects, internship and graduation projects. I would like to extend my warm welcome to our graduation project industry partners and our illustrious TD alumnus, Dr. Shari Keller, Director and Founder of Mehra Shaw Textiles Private Limited, Jaipur, Mr. Abhishek Mandal, Founder of Riaz Stores, Jaipur, Miss Adrija, Textile Design Mumbai alumnus, Miss Manjushri, Textile Design Mumbai alumnus. I would request our Textile Design alumni members to share their message for students and their experiences with the graduating students.
Hi, I'm Sherry Keller, Director of Mehra Shaw Textiles and Aditi's mentor during her internship programs. She did a fantastic job working for us and we're really happy with the collaboration, all the outcomes, all the beautiful prints she designed. She did 2 collections. One was a mom-baby collection of baby bed linens with very fun, playful animal prints. She worked on fresh designs for block prints for that collection. And she did a second collection of women's garments inspired by a Japanese aesthetic with botanical prints, and learned just a tremendous amount about different block printing techniques and putting together range plans, tech packs, everything. Great job, Aditi. We really enjoyed working with you. All the best.
Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So my name is Abhishek Mandal. I am the co-founder and creative head of Riaz Jaipur. So Naseem joined us for his 2 months internship project. After that he continued for his graduation project. And he is very hardworking and quick learner, so he understood the craft and the need of the brand, and according to that he delivered the products. And congratulations Naseem for your achievement, and wish you all the best for your future. So keep creating and keep learning, and we'll be considered as one of our team member always. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Adrija and I am an alumni of Textile Design NIFT Mumbai. This is super nostalgic for me to be talking to you guys because just a couple of years back I was on that side and I too was walking out of college and trying to figure out my life. And so I know you guys are in that state where it's kind of exciting, but it's also a little bit stressful and everyone's asking you, where you're going to work, what you're going to do. So I get it, a lot of changes happening right now, and also, I understand that you've had a very hard 1.5 years to 2 years, and I really sympathize with you guys, with every one of you. I know that it's just been really difficult, right? And you guys deserve, badges of bravery for just making it this far. And it's great, and everybody in the TD department is super proud of you, because I was just talking to your faculty and they were telling me how much potential all of you have and how talented all of you guys are, and that's just great to hear. And anyway, you've made it this far after 4 years of textile design, and we both know textile design is not easy. The course is it's challenging, it's exciting, it's intimidating, but you guys have just pulled through, and it's just the biggest achievement at this point. And I just want to say, real talk, you guys are fully prepared for what the industry is going to throw at you, because
TD is that stream where you are taught everything from the grounds up, from the basics up. So I would say, is like a secret, but you guys are more prepared than any other stream, and you are fully capable of embracing all the challenges that are going to come your way. And if you've made it through the pandemic and you've made it through TD, then you've done it all. Like literally, there's not much that's going to be harder than this. So you guys have won this war. You just have the next battle to look at. All my best wishes to each and every one of you, and I hope to see you down the road in the industry. So good luck, and take care and be safe.
Hi everyone, I'm Manjushri Saikia. I'm the founder and creative director of Uramaku. So I graduated from Textile Design Department of NIFT in 2016, and I would say I was being introduced to Assam textiles at very early age of my life, but true responsibility of a designer and textile designer was being realized when I studied textile design and visited craft clusters with the Department of Textiles. Sustainability is a big topic and it's a trend right now, and every brand is trying to be conscious in some way or the other. But in Textile Design Department, they always believed in ethical fashion, and they always taught us the importance of Indian textiles and crafts and how we can incorporate those into our designs. And I truly believe that Uramaku has achieved certain milestones in a very short span of time, like Grajia Young Fashion Award and Gen Next at Lakme Fashion Week. So that wouldn't have been possible without my faculties and their belief and their, the learnings that I have learned from them. So I'm really thankful and blessed for that. My association with NIFT is also as a guest faculty and jury member, and now I'm also a part of the Pratibha project. So when I talk about NIFT, I can't go without talking about my golden days. I remember my GP days, and oh my god, it was a hustle between work and travel, and I'm sure for the graduating batch it would have been a different experience. It was a digital graduation project that you have done, and I have seen some of your work. It's really good, and I'm really wishing you all the best. Besides all the challenges that you must have faced during the pandemic time, I'm just letting you know that everybody is trying to figure out in their own way, big or the small companies, everybody is having their own sort of struggle. The special part about being a designer is that you are a problem solver, and that's what makes you special. And during your very initial days, it's good that you got your time to introspect and reflect in your life, that what you want to do in life and what line you want to do. And also it becomes easier for you during the digital era, that you can directly approach to brands and companies, and it becomes much more transparent right now. So that is the best part about today's times. So just stay positive, and I wish you all the very best. So just make textile design and NIFT very proud. Thank you.
Thank you all for such an interesting message. I would now request our two graduating students to share their experience. Ms. Prachi and Ms. Riya Kothari of the graduating batch to kindly share their experience and journey of their learnings at NIFT Mumbai.
Hello everyone, I'm Prachi Divakar, and I'm from the graduating batch of textile design from NIFT Mumbai. To share my journey and experience so far, it just seems like yesterday that I was stepping into the NIFT campus, feeling all nervous and worried of how my 4 years are going to turn out to be. But I'd say that these 4 years have just passed in a blink of an eye, giving me the most memorable experiences and learnings of my life. Firstly, I'd like to thank my faculties and the entire textile design department who has made me who I am today, who have given me so much in terms of learning and experiences that includes, different craft clusters that we've experienced. And
always push to see simple inspirations and turn it into something more new and something more better, and understand that textiles is much more beyond just apparel and home decor, and to see how they've evolved around us in the most beautiful forms and have inculcated a sort of understanding of how curiosity can help us far ahead when we make something or when the design process is followed. And because of all these experiences and learnings that I've gained, I was able to do my graduation project with Avni Uttarakhand, who are based in the Kumaon region, and I was fortunate enough to be on the campus and see how the entire product development is done, where indeed the artisans were the stars of the collections, who were willing to try something new and did everything in their power to make the product to the best of their abilities. So I'd like to thank NIFT Mumbai and all my faculties who have given me this opportunity and helped me be who I am today, and have led me to be a textile design graduate in these 4 years. So yeah, thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Riya Kothari and I'm from graduating batch of Textile Designing 2021. My design journey started back in 2017 when I entered NIFT, and this college has indeed changed my life. Not only I have learned about the technicalities and specifications which goes behind a fabric, but I've also learned about hard work, patience and friendships. I have had the privilege of working and learning with one of the most greatest faculty, and they have helped me fall in love with traditional textiles of India. As a textile student, I have always admired Indian traditional textiles and have the utmost respect for all the artisans for the magic they create. And as I worked in the cluster for 4 months, I have learned so many things, and the experience was so overwhelming as I learned about different techniques of dyeing and the different techniques of weaving. Anticipation of creating something innovative and understanding the limitations with it, and furthermore working on those limitations, was a constant part of my design journey. To create a product right from the scratch by learning about the craft to sourcing of raw material, exploring the designs and implementing them, the journey of anticipating and turning weeks of imagination into reality was very gratifying. And not only it made me feel very independent, but it also made me realize my future plans of working in handloom sector. To conclude, I would like to say that it was a privilege to absorb the beauty of traditional handloom, and it was one of the greatest experience of my life.
That was indeed such an interesting experience. As we all continue on in our lives, let's take each new areas on with confidence, knowing that we have achieved great heights and are equipped with the necessary skills to deliver the best. Let's believe in ourselves so that we may reach our goals and fulfill our dreams. Let's be the best that we can so that we may fill our lives and the lives of those closest to us with happiness and with pride. As you cherish the fruits of your hard work, I wish that success keeps following you in everything that you do. And one of the best ways to predict your future is to create it. Part of the journey is the end. As we come towards the end of this graduation show, I, Kisle Chaudhary, Professor, Textile Design Department, would like to invite our Campus Academy Coordinator, Professor Dr. Sushil Ratori, to please give the vote of thanks.
Respected Shri Shantmanu, IAS Director General NIFT, Professor Dr. Vandana Narang, Dean NIFT, Professor Dr. Pawan Godiawala, Director NIFT Mumbai, officers, faculty, staff, students and guests. It is my honor and joy to extend vote of thanks to all those who have contributed to make Virtual Graduation Show 2021 a grand success. On this occasion, we are privileged to have with us Shri Shantmanu, IAS Director General NIFT, as chief guest. On the behalf of Director NIFT Mumbai and NIFT Mumbai faculty, members, I would like to thank wholeheartedly Director General NIFT for gracing the occasion. Sir, all of us were highly motivated with your inaugural address, and I'm sure students and faculty will always remember your inspirational message. Thank you, sir. We are also thankful to Professor Dr. Vandana Narang, Dean NIFT, for guiding and inspiring NIFT faculty and nurturing academic activities. Thank you, ma'am, for your continuous support and guidance. I also take this opportunity to thank Director NIFT Mumbai Professor Dr. Pawan Godiawala for his continuous support and guidance in matters related to academic and academic administration. On behalf of all the faculty, officers, staff and students, we would like to thank you for your support and guidance. I also take this opportunity to thank all our stakeholders, the industry partners, alumni, guest faculty, sponsors, professionals from other organizations, international faculty, NIFT Mumbai faculty, officers, staff, students who are associated with NIFT Mumbai in various capacity for their support in making this event successful. Before I end, dear students and parents, I would like to congratulate you all on the accomplishment of this achievement, and I wish you a great professional success and fulfillment of your dreams. God bless you all. Thank you.